what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set minimum length of stay in booking.com. So all you have to do is head over to admin.booking.com and make sure that you have an existing admin account. And of course, log into your account. Next is just hover your mouse on rates and availability, then click on it. Next is just click on rate plans. So from here, just scroll down, and from here, you should be able to see a list of all your rate plans that you pre-created upon registration. So in our example, we have here standard rate, and if you click on this, from here, you should be able to see minimum stay, and currently we have not set minimum length of stay. To be able to edit this, just click on the edit button. And from here, just beside minimum stay, just click on the edit button. And from here, you can change minimum stay if no, if this rate plan is available for any length of stay. But in our case, we're going to pick yes. And from here, just enter the number of minimum stay. Say, for example, we want to change it to 3 nights minimum stay. This is the minimum night that the guests can stay in our apartment, for example. And all you have to do is save these changes. Just click on save. And lastly, click on apply changes. And if we check once again, as you can see, we have already set a number of minimum stays. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!